Would you like to learn how to make some delicious turkey wings just like this? You would? Good, because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Let's get started with concocting us a seasoning blend, which consists of chicken bouillon, smoked paprika, rosemary, fresh is best, but I didn't have any, and complete seasoning, as well as ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pin in the comments section, but if you don't have ASIL, just use seasoned salt, and some garlic powder and onion powder. I also added some dried parsley and some cracked black pepper. The exact measurements and ingredient list and such shall be in the description box below. Stir, stir, stir. Now I am going to cut slits all over the turkey wings, which I have already cleaned with vinegar and fresh lemon. Clean your meats, baby. I'm cutting slits into them because I need my seasonings to get all up in all the creases and the crevices. Yes, sir. No bland turkey over here. Okay. Now I'm going to rub the wings down with some extra virgin olive oil so that when I put the seasonings on, they could be up and stuck. Just rub the oil all over like this and like that. And then add the seasoning blend all over the turkey wings. Turkey wings are a great alternative during the holidays when you don't feel like fussing and messing with a big old turkey. I love to just make the wings. And if you're a big back like me, I even eat the tips. Don't judge me. You don't know my life. So give the wings a good old rub down with the seasoning and be sure to get inside all the slits, just like so. Now let's make a gravy for the wings to cook in. Put some cream of chicken soup in a bowl and add you some of that good old Lipton soup mix to it. If you know, you know. And then add some fresh garlic. And then add a little sherry cooking wine. That's my secret ingredient. Fire. But it's optional since you think you grown. Next, add some smoked paprika, as well as some dried parsley. The parsley doesn't have any flavor. It just makes everything look all pretty and things. Now give it a good mix. Get everything all nice and well combined. Give it a taste and see if you need to add more of anything. Next, find you a baking dish and put some potatoes in it. No need to grease the dish. As well as some carrots, celery, multicolored bell peppers, onions, and garlic. Then season the veggies with some salad and vegetable seasoning. That stuff is really good. But if you don't have it, you could just use seasoned salt. And don't forget the fresh cracked black pepper. Then give everything a good mix. Now I'm going to lay down some fresh thyme. And then I'm going to lay the turkey wings right on top. And then I'm going to place some butter on top of the wings. But that's optional. Come on, big back activities are allowed during the holidays. You're no fun. Then place that delicious gravy right on top of each turkey wing, just like so. Then add a little chicken broth to the pan so that the wings won't burn. Now preheat the oven to 350 and cover the pan tightly with aluminum foil. Now we're going to bake the turkey wings for 1.5 to 2 hours or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. But after the first hour, you want to take them out and give them a good basting. This will help to get them tender. So I put them back in the oven for another hour and then I broiled them for about 7 minutes because I like my poultry to have a little melanin to it. But you can skip that step if you like pale poultry. And once done, it'll look something like this.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Can you say she put her foot in it again? She sure did. These turkey wings were so super yummy. Let's just take a moment and bask in all this turkey wing glory.
Lisa, help me please, yeah. You got what I need, yeah. Help me split these peas, yeah.
Yes, God, so delicious and tender too. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. Happy holidays. God bless you. Bye.
Damn, you make it feel so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Damn, you make it feel so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make it feel so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make it feel so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.